Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Mycelium wallet on your PC. Downloading Mycelium wallet on PC is a straightforward process. First of all, you will need to download an Android emulator of your choice. In my case, I've downloaded the BlueStacks Android emulator. If you don't know how to download the emulator, you can check other videos from our channel on how to download BlueStacks app. Once you've downloaded the app, simply launch it open and then also make sure that you've signed in using your Google account's credentials. Enter your email associated with Google account and your password in order to end up in the Google Play Store homepage. Now, once you see this interface, go to the search box at the top and type in Mycelium. Once you see this Mycelium Bitcoin wallet application in the search result, click on Install. Wait for the app to download and install on your device, which will take a couple of minutes. And once it is done, you can open up the app by clicking on the Open button. In order to get access to your Mycelium Bitcoin wallet, you will need to visit your BlueStacks Android emulator and launch it open from the main homepage of BlueStacks. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.